record button.
All right, here I am in Exocad. A quick tutorial on how to kind of align a bunch of different scans and meshes. Let's start with, you go into Exocad, start with a client, and then I like to click click antagonist, because this is not for designing, this is just for placing the scans in the right position. So again, go to antagonist, press OK. So now it'll just allow you to open up. Once you selected both one tooth on each arch, press save, click design, and as you would expect, there'll be nothing to design. It's just going to ask you to bring up the scans. Alright, here we go. It says load antagonist here. So I'm going to go to file. Alright, so here we have the many different scans. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with half attempts with leaf gauge in. And press open. Ooh, I actually asked for the lower one first. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to go into expert mode. Press next. Then we're going to tools, and we're going to add some meshes here. What we're going to do is we're going to add a generic visualization mesh. And, we're going to choose upper jaw. Press load. And we're going to do maxer with temps in upper jaw. Press. And then we're going to have to align it with the upper one. So I'm pressing Control to move it around so I get semi-aligned. Turn off the texture here. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to go over here to align, and then floating to the fixed mesh. We have plenty of places around the teeth to place it, so we should do a pretty good job. After I do at least 4, perform alignment, and then best fit matching, and we want to see a nice blue color where they're going to match. There you go. So that's nice, and we see that that's pretty good fit there. So that's number 1. You press OK, and we have another one to set. We're going to do another upper jaw here. We're going to load it again, and this time we're going to do the preps. Here we go. Upper jaw scan. Press OK, and then we're going to download that and do the same thing. So here's the preps that I did here. And again, what we're going to do is we're going to set it. So I don't want to set it to the ones with the full prepped area. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this one off. Okay, so now we're going to align these two together here. Put a line, and then we are going to align these two together so we have everything in the right plane. Occlusion. You do want them not directly in a straight line, so that it does align it better. All right, Alex, good. So now we have all of them together, and you can see the preps overlaying the teeth, which is a good sign. We see nice blue pattern here, so this is what we're looking for. Now, once we have everything aligned, what we're going to do is we have to save all these in the new position. So here we have everything together. This is all of them. And this was taken with a leaf gauge of how much we want to add to these teeth here. So now what we have to do is we have to save each one individually in the new, I call it the new GPS location. So okay here. And then all we're gonna do is save, well first we'll save this, just in general. So we have ready. And then what you wanna do is right click and then you do save to file. But I like to block everything off and then do one at a time. So one at a time, save to file, and then make sure you go over here to STL. And then I like to make a new folder called new GPS where I have everything aligned before I start designing my case. And this is important, it's going to give you, okay, there you go. All right, and that's the tutorial of how to cross mount when you have multiple meshes at once. So you can see everything is in the proper plane with each other. So let's show you one at a time again. Take this one off, take this one, they're all there exactly where we want them. So you can do multiple